How to disable macros in Excel sheet. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily disable the macro settings on Microsoft Excel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up any Excel file you have and then click on the Files tab at the top left corner. Once you head over here, go to Options, and this menu will pop up right here on your screen. Now from here, just find the Trust Center option on the left side, which is right at the bottom. Click on it, and then you'll get to the Trust Center settings. Just click on this Microsoft Excel Trust Center settings, and this menu will pop up right here on the screen. Now again, on the left side, you have different tabs like Trusted Publishers, Trusted Location Documents, and many more settings. You just want to find the macros settings. Just click on it. Now, if this is set to enable VBA macros, so if this is set to this, what you can do is click on disable macros without notification or disable VBA macros with notification depending on your choice. If you want to enable all, you could just select this, but if you want to disable, you could choose any one of these three options according to your need. I'm just going to set this disable macros without notification, then click on OK. Once you've done that, press OK again, and you've successfully turned off macros on Microsoft Excel. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.